Welcome to Live Interactive English. I'm Hanny.
Hi, Hanny.
Hi, you are?
Who am I?
You are Shane.
I'm Shane. That's
Hi,
right.
Shane.
Hi, Hanny. Hi, everybody.
So for our Cloze test article this month, we're going to talk about
Sora.
Sora. What is Sora?
So Sora, and the title is Turning Written Words into On-Screen Worlds.
So before we talk about Sora, have you ever heard of ChatGPT?
Of course I've heard of. Isn't everybody heard of ChatGPT by now?
True.
Right? It's pretty famous. Do you use ChatGPT?
I did download it, but I don't know what to ask.
You don't always have to, well, I guess it doesn't have to be like a question. You can ask, the cool thing is you can ask ChatGPT to do stuff for you. Like for a friend as a joke, we had like an adventure when we were traveling through Europe, and we made up some like characters, people that we saw, and we used our imagination. So I thought it would be fun to make a screenplay about a story using those characters. We imagined these people were like superheroes and bad guys. And I asked it to make me a script. I said, you know, make the script about two guys getting into a fight. There's a good guy, there's a bad guy. And I added some details, and I said, and at the end, they become friends.
Wow.
And then it did it, and then I thought, oh, I wonder what else I could do. I said, can you make it longer? Can you make it shorter? Can you make it more descriptive? And you could keep changing it to exactly what you wanted. It was so cool.
对，有了 ChatGPT， 你可以输入一些你想要的东西，然后请它制造出一个段落、一个文字，就像老师把自己变成冒险故事的主角了 ，right?
Right.
And now with Sora, they can make your story into a
movie or video, right?
Right, movie or video, right?
That's super cool.
Super cool. 好，那我们就准备来看看今天的文章是关于 Sora。
Okay.
These days, barely a season passes without the announcement of some new groundbreaking AI technology. Now, OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has introduced Sora, a powerful tool that turns written text into moving videos. Sora has not been around for long. It is very new. However, it has already produced impressive content. In one Sora-generated video, we can see a woman walk down a Tokyo street. In another, a cute monster interacts with a candle flame.
Welcome back, everyone.
Hey!
So what's the title of our article?
Sora, turning written words into on-screen worlds.
所以我们今天要谈论的是 Sora， 它是化文字为影片的 AI 新工具。那我们先补充一下，有一个形容词叫 on screen。Screen 是荧幕嘛，所以这个 on screen 就是说在我们的电脑啊、电视或者是电影的荧幕上。
That's right.
所以可是有时候我们可能会谈到像一个演员啊，或者什么他们可能在on-screen performance.
Right. So we're just talking about their performance when we see them on the screen, whatever type of screen that is. Could be, like you said, like a movie theater screen. Could be a TV monitor.
Right.
Computer monitor.
Yeah, computer monitor.
TV, computer monitor.
反正就是荧幕上你看到。
Phone.
对，所以呢，我们在描述一些演艺人员啊，他们可能在荧幕上的一些状况表现呢，我们可能会用到 on screen 去形容荧幕上的电影或电视中的。那相对就是 off screen。对 ，off screen 就会是在荧幕外，在真实生活中。
Like I heard, like off screen, Tom Hanks is not very nice.
Really? 你不要乱讲别人坏话。
I've heard that. That's all I'm saying. I've just heard that. I don't know if it's true or not.
好啊，老师 off screen 的状态也是很好笑的。
很棒啊！
好，那我们今天就来看看我们的课文是关于 Sora. So let's start reading.
These days, barely a season passes without the announcement of some new, groundbreaking AI technology.
That's
Remember,
right.
AI stands for artificial
Intelligence.
AI technology. Groundbreaking.
对，好，那这边有一个字叫 groundbreaking， 我们先来讲一下 break ground。好像要打破那个地上吧，打破，对不对？
That's basically, yeah, right, exactly.
所以它其实有那种破土啊、动工的意思。我们常常就用这个 break new ground 去表达开辟新的领域、开创新局、去开先例，有那种突破性的发展。那这个 groundbreaking 就是它的相关形容词，可以描述是开创性的、革新的。Right, okay. And then we read on, it says,
Now, OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has introduced Sora, a powerful tool that turns written text into moving videos.
哦，所以是跟 ChatGPT 一样的公司
Right.
他们也是在推出这个更进一步很厉害的工具 right?
Yeah, they keep doing more and more cool stuff.
Groundbreaking stuff.
Groundbreaking stuff, exactly, yeah.
So, and then we read on, it says, Sora blank around for long. 好，这个题目字面意思是 Sora 空格存在很长一段时间。那我们会看到4个选项里面都会有 be 动词。我们说 something be around 就是某事物存在出现。那 around 在这边当形容词用。然后呢，它用到 for long 是很长一段时间。for 加一段时间就是表达持续多久时间。那我们现在就来看选项。Our options are
A, was not. B, has not been. C, would not be. D, will not have been.
好，所以我们看出这题就是要考我们时态咯。课文前一句提到说，现在 OpenAI 推出了 Sora， 那从语义判断可以知道是发生在过去，然后会持续到现在的情况，所以时态要用现在完成式。而且呢，现在完成式又常常会搭配 for 加一段时间，表达说持续了多久时间。所以呢，答案要选 B has not been 来表达 Sora。并未存在很长一段时间，也就是它问世的时间并不长。So the correct sentence would be
Sora has not been around for long.
Right, it's very new. It is very new.
Yes, it is indeed. So,
Continuing.
Blank, it has already produced impressive content.
好，这个题目意思是空格。它已经生成令人印象深刻的内容。这题考我们具有转折功能的副词。来看选项 ，Our options are
However,
A, however 就是然而，但是
B, instead,
这表示作为代替，反而
C, similarly,
这表示同样的。
D, moreover.
这表示再者或是此外。那课文前一句提到说 Sora 存在的时间并不久，那空格后面又提到它已经生成令人印象深刻的内容。这前后语义可以推断说空格里面要填入带有对比语义的副词，所以要选 A, however 表示然而，但是怎么样怎么样。And the correct sentence
should read, however, it has already produced impressive content.
哦，好，那这边我们有一个单字叫 content。
Oh, okay. So, content, it's uncountable. It's a noun. It's the ideas, facts, or images that are in a book, article, speech, movie, computer, program, anything, content.
对，好，所以这个 content 在这边就是指说内容，可能是书籍啊、影片、演讲等等的内容。好，那我们还可以用它来指内容物里面的东西，对不对 ？So it could be the things that are contained in something.
Right.
那在这里，它就会用复数形去表达它是内容物，或是有目录的意思。
Right. Okay. So, for example, you could say this program's content is suitable for children.
哦，所以这个节目内容是适合小朋友观看的这样子。
Right.
Okay, so continuing.
In one Sora-generated video, we can see a woman walk down a Tokyo street.
OK， 好，那这边有用到 Sora generated， 那这个 generate 就是产生啊、引起、导致的意思。那我们来看看它下一句提到说 ，In another, a cute monster interacts with a candle flame. Sounds cute.
Does sound cute. Well, because it has the word cute in it.
Right.
Yeah, if it just said a monster interacts with a flame, it would, scary.
And it says the monster interacts with the candle flame, right?
So to interact with somebody is to communicate with somebody, especially while you work, play, or spend time with them.
那如果是事物呢？事物它们之间会 interact.
Yeah, so like if one thing interacts with another, or if two things interact, the two things have an effect on each other.
哦，所以这个 interact 就可以表达这种互动啊、互相交流的意思。我们就可以用 interact with 加上名词去表达跟什么来互动交流。老师帮我们造例句好吗？
Okay. The museum has displays to interact with.
哦，我最喜欢这一种。
Those are fun, right? I love going to the science museum, and then you get to like interact with the exhibitions
right.
or the
like
things.
the dinosaurs or something like
Oh, yeah,
that.
that's so fun.
对，我很喜欢那种互动
So
式
you
的
can say
展
they're
览。
interactive.
Yes, interactive， 那就是它的形容词咯。好，那我们这边要先休息一下，待会再继续来看文章咯。
Okay.
So how does this digital magic work? Well, users provide Sora with a detailed description of what they want to see. The software then generates clips up to 60 seconds long that show what the text requested. These clips can then be quickly altered. For example, the video of the woman walking down a Tokyo street can be changed to show the same woman walking through a park or along a beach. Although this technology is new and still has some problems, it is clear that Sora has huge potential. From film production to video game development, Sora could change storytelling forever.
Okay, so we've learned a bit about Sora. What's next?
Okay, so how does this digital magic work?
哦，我们先看到这边有个单字叫 digital, and it's an adjective, right?
Right, it just means using a system of receiving and sending information as a series of the numbers 1 and 0, showing that an electronic signal is there or is not there.
哦。
Right?
Very scientific.
Right, or connected with the use of computer technology, especially if we're talking about the internet, we're talking about like digital content, for example.
Right. 所以这个 digital 其实就是指数位的或者有数字的那种意思。像我们说 a digital camera 就是数位相机，或是说 the digital age 就是指数位时代的意思。
Right, so for example, we could say in the modern age, people mostly communicate on digital platforms.
Not in written words.
Right, exactly.
Well, users provide Sora with a detailed description of what they want to see.
Okay,
And
cool.
then?
The software then generates clips up to 60 seconds long that show what the text blank.
好，这个题目意思是，然后软体会生成长达60秒的片段，显示文字所空格的内容。句子里面的 clip 在这边是指影片的片段或剪辑。那这边考我们动词词汇，来看选项咯。Our options are
A, connected.
连接
B, revised.
修改校订
C, declined.
这有拒绝婉拒的意思。
D, requested.
这表示要求请求。课文前一句提到使用者提供 Sora 他们想看到的内容的详细描述。那这个题目又提到说，然后软体会生成长达60秒的片段， 显示文字所怎么样的内容，所以语义上来看，最适合就是 D requested 去表达要求请求，也就是 Sora 会根据使用者所输入的文字请求来生成我们要的影片片段。So the correct sentence would be
The software then generates clips up to 60 seconds long that show what the text requested.
OK， 好，那这边有一个单字蛮简单，是 software。
Okay. Also, software is a noun. It's just the programs used by a computer for doing particular jobs.
好，这个就是电脑软体的意思。那相反，我们会说
hardware
soft 相反 hardware， 那就是硬体的意思咯。
Exactly.
好，那老师，我们是不是有一个 software 的造句
？This new software will help your computer run faster.
Okay. So, and then we read on, it says, these clips can then be quickly altered. And then here we got this word alter, it means to change, right?
Right.
对，所以这个 alter 它就有修改、改变或者是变更的意思。好，那我们再来看看，到底它要怎么去修改这个影片内容。
Cool. Okay. So, blank, the video of the woman walking down a Tokyo street can be changed to show the same woman walking through a park or along a beach.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, really interesting.
Yeah, 好，所以题目意思是说，空格这名女子在东京街道上行走的影片，可以改为同一名女子穿过公园或沿着海边行走。这题考我们转折词，来看选项。Our options are
A, in total.
这表示合计、总计。
B, after all.
毕竟啊，终究。
C, for example.
这是说，举例来说，例如。
D, above all.
这表示最重要的是什么，或是尤其是什么。那课文前一句提到这些片段可以迅速修改，空格后面又说到把这个东京街道修改为穿过公园或沿着海边的情况，所以我们可以得知说这是在举例说明修改的例子，所以应该要填入 C for example 去表达举例来说，例如的意思。And the correct sentence would be
For example, the video of the woman walking down a Tokyo street can be changed to show the same woman walking through a park or along a beach.
Imagine it would be a big trouble to get the same woman to reproduce the film.
Right. If you needed to do that and you're actually filming it, using a camera and a live actress and a director and all of the people there, yeah, you can't just go to a whole new scene. That would be like a lot of money. Here you just say, change it from a park to a beach. And boom.
Change from Tokyo streets to a park in maybe New York?
In New York, yeah. New York.
So easy, boom.
Central Park or something, right.
Right, okay, and then we read on, it says,
Although this technology is new and still has some problems, it is clear that Sora has blank.
题目意思是，尽管这项技术很新，而且还存在一些问题，但显然地 ，Sora 具有空格。这边是考我们语义，我们来看看选项。Our options are
A, restricted possibilities.
有限的可能性。
B, little chance.
机会很小。
C, minor capabilities.
次要的能力。
D, huge potential.
巨大的潜力。好，这个题目句子使用了带有转折语气的 although。前半句他说，尽管这项技术很新，而且还存在一些问题。我们就可以推测后半句应该会是比较正面的叙述咯。然后课文下一句还提到 Sora 的运用，还有它可能永远改变说故事的方式。那语义上就可以判断空格应该是要描述 Sora 它的应用范围很广。那最适合答案会是 D, huge potential 巨大的潜力。
So the correct sentence should read, although this technology is new and still has some problems, it is clear that Sora has huge potential.
Right. From film production to video game development, Sora could change storytelling forever. Right， 所以这个 storytelling 就是说故事
Right, so it's just the activity of telling or writing stories.
对，它就有叙事啊、讲故事的这个意思。
Sounds so cool.
Sounds so cool， 而且我觉得这对一些这个创作者是一个很棒的工具。
Absolutely, like just for the normal person like me who's not really a creator, I want to just play with it and just see what it's like. That sounds so fun.
Yeah, like I could create my own films,
Yeah.
right?
So neat.
So excited. OK， 好，那以上就是我们今天的课程喽。那我们要下次见喽。See you
Okay.
next time. Bye
Bye-bye.
These days, barely a season passes without the announcement of some new groundbreaking AI technology. Now, OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has introduced Sora, a powerful tool that turns written text into moving videos. Sora has not been around for long. It is very new. However, it has already produced impressive content. In one Sora-generated video, we can see a woman walk down a Tokyo street. In another, a cute monster interacts with a candle flame. So how does this digital magic work? Well, users provide Sora with a detailed description of what they want to see. The software then generates clips up to 60 seconds long that show what the text requested. These clips can then be quickly altered. For example, the video of the woman walking down a Tokyo street can be changed to show the same woman walking through a park or along a beach. Although this technology is new and still has some problems, it is clear that Sora has huge potential. From film production to video game development, Sora could change storytelling forever.
Hello! Beisianhu Forestry Cultural Theme Park is located in Chiayi City. Although it is a theme park, it doesn't have roller coasters, merry-go-rounds, or a Ferris wheel. Instead, it has diverse wildlife waiting for you to explore. Let's go check out the park together. Beisianhu Park is the second largest park in Chiayi City. In the past, Beisianhu Lake was used for storing water and growing crops. Beisianhu Park is an extended part of Bo'ai Park. This idea is to bring Beihu Hexiang back again. Beihu Hexiang was recorded as a part of the Qing Dynasty's literature. It means lotus scent in the northern lake. Now, Beisianhu Park is a forestry cultural theme park. The trail in Beisianhu Park is shaped like a musical note. The lake is used for flood storage. At the park, you can find many places to rest or enjoy the views. They include Cherry Blossom Forest, Pizitou Botanical Garden, Grassy Slope Scenic Area, and so on. Beisianhu Park is rich with many animals and plants. You can also find farmland green tree frogs here. This is a good place for doing exercise and taking a break. So next time you're in Chiayi City, make sure to check out Beisianhu Park, especially during the cherry blossom season. We'll see you there.